Hi, this is Trijal. Today I am making Split Lab C6 project of whitehat Junior. I am going to event take when up, press an action and put here move turn to here and here is north only and here down move south left and move and here west and right and move and put here east and we take when touches here and put here this this and here this. Now I am take so title and here I write oops, and here you lost. Now see. Sorry. I not put this and this to this and this. Now it's what? Yes, it touched and lost. Okay, bye bye.